If you are encountering Snapchat support code C14A frequently and wondering why this is happening, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this issue on your Android device. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Tuning Advanced Network Settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Open Developer Options. Scroll down and find out this setting. Under the networking options, turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling and also turn on mobile data always active. It will enhance the network performance and ensure stable network connection. Solution 2. Checking software version. Update the Snapchat if available from Play Store. So, you can open your Play Store, find out the apps, check for update, turn off and on the Wi-Fi toggle to re-establish connection to the Wi-Fi. You can do this from your control panel. Restart the device and it will clear all the bugs related to RAM management and network. Solution 3. Clearing app cache. Open Settings. Go to App Settings. Find out Snapchat and tap on it. Open the Storage menu, tap on Clear Cache, and this action will reset all the memory bugs associated with Snapchat. If none of the previously discussed solutions work, it might be due to the temporary issue with the app server. Wait for some moment and try again later. Thanks for watching.